Hi and welcome to another Humble Experience. I'm Heather and today I want to do another copycat recipe with my spin on it. It's for HopCat's Madtown grilled cheese. It's almost a $14 sandwich and I have a great alternative that will satisfy your taste buds with this sandwich. What it calls for is your sourdough bread. Once again, I'm using a rustic sourdough that I've picked up from my local grocery store. I have a garlic aioli spread. I found it at a grocery store as well. I have some local honey, an apple. Today I'm using a Granny Smith. Feel free to use Yellow Delicious, Golden Delicious, whatever you would like. And I also have a smoked Gouda cheese and Havarti that has dill in it. Let's get started. That is a great sandwich. I've made it a few times now. It saved me so much money by making it at home instead of eating out. The only thing I need is to get the beer kegerator at home here so I can have a draft with my sandwich. Although, you know, I'll do a bottle of beer. That's fine as well. Well, if you've enjoyed this video, Make sure you subscribe with that subscribe button below. It is a free subscription. Give me a like. And if you're so inclined, drop me a note in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching.